Today we'll be learning how to record a computer screen for free. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Rekha from channel Techwithme. We'll be learning built-in recording for Windows 11. This can be used to record your browser. Let's start recording our browser. Open your browser. Press Windows and G. You'll be directed to this page. White arrow for recording your screen and red arrow for recording your voice. All the recording options will be hidden once you touch anywhere on the screen. Now we'll check what we learned today. Just type anything on your browser. Finally, it will direct you to that page. This is how recording is done in Windows 11. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.